Hi guys, welcome back to Bam's Travel Channel. So my next video is all about my travel goals in Argentina and in Uruguay this year 2020. So I'm going to show you how beautiful and fantastic this place it is in South America. So I'm going to show you the beautiful place of Buenos Aires and Port Madrid in Argentina and also in Uruguay. So this video I will show you the place, of course, the food and the nightlife here in Argentina and the day life in Uruguay. And I really admire this place because the people are very hospitable, very nice, very kind, and very helpful. And Argentina is one of the best places to go to in South America and in Latin countries since they have all what it takes to have, like their food. They have the delicious seafoods and pasta and pizza, and of course they have their wine, which is manufactured and made in Argentina. So if you're going to do overnight, I really recommend it to do it in Buenos Aires, Argentina, or in Port Madrid, Argentina. So as we roam around the area, of course we're going to check the food, the drinks, and etc. So I'm very much happy and lucky that I was able to do it with my friends, that we have the overnight stay in Argentina. So I'm going to show you in this video all the things that we done on that night. So just stay and relax and watch this video, and hope you enjoy my travel goals in Argentina and also in Uruguay. So Uruguay also is one of the best country that I've been traveling to, since they also offer a lot, like a varieties of food, wine and drinks, and the area is very nice also. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just click the subscribe button down and click the bell so that you will be notified on my next video. So thank you so much for watching and enjoy the video. Bye! Kami ngayon sa anong lugar to? Chubot, Argentina. Yan po. Ito yung mga taga-Argentina. Lalaro pa sila. Kasama ko po si Maninay. Anong masasabi mo?
Wala. Gutom ako.
Gutom daw siya. Ayan. Overnight po kasi kami dito eh. Kaya gumala na si Maninay. Sama si Maninoy and family with attorney general, tagapagtanggol ng mga inap. Oh, ang ganda dito oh. No? Naka-live man ko. Naka-live. Yan po mga kasama namin. Asa matapaingon? May kagapuan o, restaurante. Natibo lagi diri, tarawaw. Nan kayo mga tao. Nagdula sila. Mahablot to na akong cellphone. Mahablot. Wow, very nice the park.
They still open? Huh?
Tomorrow.
How come tomorrow?
We still eat, no?
What time?
Ayan po yung ano, monumento ni Rizal nandito po. Ang dami pong tao dito sa Luneta Park.
You know already. Ito na going na. You wanna try? Huh? What time is start tomorrow? 12. Same thing. What time is sale?
Tapos sila.
Hindi na.
Kami nga nag-date. Masayaw.
Sunod mo yan nila. Uy,
Asa naman sila? Kaya nga. Puyog sila na.
ang boot.
Nightlife here in Argentina. Ha? Gani. Nay, ice cream mo. Ice cream. Pizza and bar. Kito pod. Pizza and bar. Pizza and bar man ya. Nothing here. This is the end of the world. End of the world na to. End of the world. You sit there alone. Oh, your paisano there. Oh. Yeah. Dito maninay o live music. May pa live music pa doon. Matay kay picture mo na pa.
Picture na? Look good.
Ice cream. Again.
Waffle with ice cream.
Ang ganda ng mga bata, oh.
Ha?
Cute ng mga bata. May mga galit na sa attorney. Kung ito ipaglaban ka rin. Pag
Ang
may...
may rason.
Dili. Mali. Pag may...
No.
Pag...
rason.
Di rason.
Ipaglaban.
Katwiran. Ipaglaban. Ito kami sa... restaurant. Si Manilay na po ang mauna. Hello. Ito na po kami sa... po kami sa Uruguay.
Uruguay. Uruguay.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just click the subscribe button down and click the bell so that you will be notified on my next video. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the video.